And we are back with all the fashion and glamour update as IIJW पहुंचा अपने 4th day पर. This day seemed like a mixed bag. इस वीक के चौथे दिन हमें काफी स्टार्स दिखे रैंप पे चलते हुए, from veteran actors to the latest Bollywood queens. लेकिन पहले शुरुआत करते हैं सोनल चौहान से. सोनल ने काफी हैवी डायमंड नेकलेस तो पहना था, लेकिन we just couldn't get our eyes off her dress. The last time we checked Sonal, इतने गुलाब तो हमें गार्डन में ही नजर आए थे, unless you decided to wear a whole garden for the ramp. But surprisingly in her talks, Sonal keeps the focus on her jewelry.
Like I said earlier, I saw this jewelry, I saw all the pieces and I just fell in, like first I saw this one, I was like, oh my god. Then I saw this one, I was like, ah. And then I saw these earrings. I just think the ring, everything is just perfect. It's just my taste. It's beautiful. Like I said, that if you want to make something, if you just want to make a subtle statement, you just wear the earrings and give the necklace a skip. If it's a really special and a big occasion, this is, I think, nothing can get better than this.
वैसे यहाँ हमने सोनल से ये भी पूछा कि डे टू डे लाइफ में वो किस किस्म की ज्वेलरी पहनना पसंद करती हैं.
With Indian clothes, I love wearing big earrings. I love big stones. I love big rocks. So yeah, I love jewelry. And in my daily life, not so much, because when I'm shooting, I can't really wear a lot of jewelry because I'll have to take it off and then I lose it.
Well, we hope you don't lose your precious stones ever, Sonal. Next in line was Karisma Kapoor, who looked elegant as ever. Karisma wore a perfect black floor-length anarkali, which suited her body type. However, we wished she had left her hair loose. Karisma ramp par bhi kafi confident dikhi. Zoom caught up with Karisma backstage for a quick chat.
The ravishing Karisma Kapoor just sashayed down the ramp and always nervous to get such all limelight and flash bulbs popping at your eyes.
Well, not, I mean, before every show, I think every artist kind of feels a bit nervous. So that's a natural feeling.
And walking for the jewelry week, you're wearing such a fabulous...
Stunning.
Yeah, I'm feeling jealous right now.
Yes, absolutely. I think when K's Jewels offered me to walk for them and they showed me this wonderful necklace, I couldn't refuse because it's so stunning and so beautiful, and it has this lovely old world charm to it, and the diamonds are really, really huge. So I said, why not?
You prefer diamonds, or is there any other gem or stone which you really love?
I'll say कि हर औरत की तरह, हर लड़की की तरह मुझे हर चीज़ पसंद है.
जितना मिले कम है.
Yeah.
And tell us about this piece, the design, the inspiration.
It's a very classic piece, and I thought it can be passed on to generations to come. So that was my idea. So to make a classic.
What's very unusual is that you can wear this for a wedding, or you can wear it to a beautiful cocktail party or a special occasion. It's a necklace that you can, play up or play down.
Absolutely. Yeah. And as you also mentioned earlier that you have received a few of your mother's, pieces. But then, have you ever thought that you'll be, passing it down to your daughter?
Sure, of course I will. Definitely.
Anything particular from your mother which you got you really treasure? One thing?
Well, yeah, I think there's one necklace, so I'm sure I'll pass it on to my daughter as well.
इस evening का last segment था dedicated to Rajasthan, और शो की शुरुआत की the evergreen Sharmila Tagore ने, who wore a sari in a different style, and with that royal jewelry, she looked elegant as ever. Next in line was Ila Arun, who danced on the ramp instead of walking, and was more than happy to do so.
I danced, I don't think I walked. You see, all my songs generally are, being a Rajasthani myself, they talk about jewelry. And today, it was so nice that Chudi Chamke, my song, I sang for all these, which I always love. So naturally there was soul.
और finally यहाँ दिखे कंगना और विद्युत जम्वाल. Well, कंगना, एक बात आपको पता होनी चाहिए that we expect a lot from you when you walk the ramp. This velvet bikini blouse is a big no-no, and sometimes wearing a smile on the ramp doesn't harm, you see. Khair, keeping her look on the ramp aside, let's find out from Kangna more about her look.
Well, the jewelry I'm wearing got very, very contemporary feel to it. So they've given me a very short choli, and they want it to look urban. At the same time, it to have that royal era of Jaipur and the whole architecture and the history of Jaipur. So I think this is a very urban approach to the heritage and the culture of our country and Jaipur.
वहीं विद्युत ने हमें बताया that being a Rajput, how it is a matter of pride for him to don certain jewels.
We men love accessories. We love to be embellished. Me being a Rajput, I've been seeing when I go for my weddings, our family weddings, we do carry the sword and like I said, the embellishments. It's a matter of pride.
So, these were the updates from day 4 of IIJW. और कल हम आपको देंगे इस मेगा इवेंट के ग्रैंड फिनाले की सारी अपडेट्स. So, watch out for this space. For Elika Shrivastava, Zoom, Mumbai.